Meet the compact electromagnetic valve your industrial setup has been missing. With its sleek black casing and durable metal connectors, this device delivers precise control over air or liquid flow in any automated system. The standout red manual switch offers effortless mode changes at a glance, while corrosion-resistant materials ensure long-term reliability in demanding environments. Whether you are managing HVAC systems, industrial machinery, or custom projects, this valve fits seamlessly into tight spaces and simplifies your workflow. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Subscribe to our channel for more smart industrial solutions and exclusive finds. Key features include dimensions 92.5 by 51.5 by 43 millimeters, voltage 220 volts, and belt-type pressure control.